Hello and welcome to another shave. Today it's a test shave. It's November 2nd, 2025. This is the second day of November. I normally do something called BBS November, and that is what that challenge is I shave twice a day the whole month of November. And I missed on November 1st, but today, from today onward, I'll be celebrating November, meaning I'll use a boar brush from today onwards. I have multiple boar brushes, so I'll use my boar brush collection. Today's soap is Le Grand Chypre from Barrister and Mann. It's a Chypre scent, and of course I'll put the notes up next to me so you can see what makes up this scent from Barrister and Mann. And the razor today is an HM Christensen 5/8 square point that I just honed during a live stream on a new Vermont Slate, a Vermont Slate that's new to me. So let's get going. During this month, when I shave twice a day, I do two pass shaves. Since I can do a 3-pass shave every day, and it should be pretty easy for me to do a 2-pass shave in the morning. And then another 2-pass shave in the evening, and so that has been my strategy for BBS November, which this will be my 3rd year doing it. Why do BBS November? Well, couple reasons. The main reason for me is it gives me a chance to use a lot of my inventory in a short period of time. And then the second reason is a little bit historical. In the early 2000s through the mid-teens, like the 2015 and onward, 2018 region, I would support I would support No Shave November. So I would grow a beard in November, and I would also give to cancer research. And that has become Movember, where people grow a mustache and give to cancer research. All of which I think is a good idea. So the way I do this now is I shave twice a day. And I give money this month to cancer research. But honestly, I'm not that large-hearted. The main reason is I like the challenge of shaving twice a day. It's a reminder for me to do some giving, which I think is important. I've had an awful lot of luck in my life. I'm very grateful for it, and I think it's always helpful to share some of my good fortune when I can. That isn't always monetary, by the way, but in this case it is. In this case, I simply give money each November to one of the cancer research efforts that I come across. Okay. Here is the razor, and as I said, this was finished on the Vermont Slate. Here is what the microscope photo at 800 to 1 magnification looks like. All right, here we go. See what this edge feels like. Oh, very smooth. Wow. That feels great. Coming off the stone, I did the prep with a caudicle, and I gave it a fair amount of stropping, about 40 laps on linen and about 60 laps on leather. The edge you're looking at, or you saw, was pre-stropped. The stropped edge doesn't look much different. It's definitely a nice edge. Yeah, this is a winner. So lots of work to do here. Let's see if I can this is my first time using this stone, so the likelihood is very good that I can, I may have lucked out. I mean, I have used quite a few stones, and I think the edge looks pretty outstanding. And it tested. Sharpness testing was excellent. So, I probably, or think I may have come pretty close to what I want this stone to do on the first try. And a lot of that is a little bit of experience with natural stones and a lot of luck. Wonderful scent, really filling the bathroom here. Really enjoying the scent of the soap. This is the Barrister and Mann Omnibus base, which is a terrific base. I'm using it in a very wet, very slick format. This is basically one of Sugar Daddy Shave's slurry lather method shaves. Hopefully you can see by the shininess how slick it is. Yeah, so now I need to compare this edge to some of my others. I'll be receiving, this is a Purple Vermont Slate. I'll be receiving a mottled gray run 1 that Sophie claims might be something that can be pushed further. To be honest with you, for me, and I think for most that I would hone for, or do hone for, I don't know that I'd want it to be any sharper. This is super sharp. And the as with other natural stones, it also has a character to the feel of the edge, and surprisingly, this is kind of, if I didn't know better, my first guess for this would probably be in the Escher Black Shadow realm, but in the pushed Escher Black Shadow realm. Olympus stone, this one would be real interesting to compare to the Olympus stone. The Olympus stone is has a very similar feel, very similar keenness. In terms of visually, the Olympus stone creates a very shiny polish. And this also creates a very nice polish. So definitely would be interested to compare these two. This one and the Olympus, the Purple Vermont Slate and the Olympus, and I'm also interested to see. Sophie says that they think the mottled gray, as I said earlier, has even finer abrasive in it. So we'll see. Fun stuff. At the end of the day, just removing hair from the face, but it's fun to try out all these different methods for doing so. Let me pause and clean the brush, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm drying down the toner. I used Thayers coconut toner this evening. And I'm going to finish with Le Grand Chypre Aftershave. Let's see here. There you go. There's the label. And the brush today was a Zenith 28 millimeter Boar. This one is, the model for this is the B40. Let's get the aftershave on. Not only is the soap base very nice at Barrister and Mann Omnibus base, he makes a very nice aftershave splash. It's got a little bit of, tiny bit of antiseptic feel to it that you might get from alcohol. I don't know if there's alcohol in it, but the rest of it's very good skin food. And his fragrances are banger. All right, that's it. Thanks very much for staying with me. I always appreciate your watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.